We can solve this quadratic equation by factoring. First, we need to move all the terms to one side. X superscript 2 plus 4x 21 is equal to 0. Then we factor the quadratic expression, x plus 7, x3, equals 0. For the product of two terms to be 0, at least one of the terms must be 0. Therefore, either x plus 7 equals 0 or x3 equals 0, which gives us x equals minus 7 or x equals 3. Adding the two equations together eliminates y, giving us 2x equals 8. Dividing both sides by 2, we get x equals 4. The diameter of the circle is equal to the side length of the square, which is 10. The radius of the circle is half the diameter, or 5. The area of a circle is given by the formula pi r superscript 2, where r is the radius. Therefore, the area of the circle is pi, 5 superscript 2, equals 25 pi. We can use the elimination method to solve for x. Multiplying the second equation by 2 gives us 2x plus 2y equals 8. Adding this equation to the first equation gives us 5x equals 20. Dividing both sides by 5 gives us x equals 4. First, we need to find the total percentage of chocolate and vanilla cakes. 25% plus 30% equals 55%. This means 55% of the cakes are either chocolate or vanilla. The remaining cakes must be strawberry. 100% to 55% equals 45%. To find the number of strawberry cakes, we multiply the total number of cakes by 45%. 120 cakes asterisk 0.45 is equal to 54 cakes. The closest answer choice to 54 cakes is 60, so the answer is C. To find f(3), we substitute x equals 3 into the function. This gives us f(3) equals 2, 3, superscript 2 plus 5 equals 2, 9, plus 5 is equal to 18 plus 5 is equal to 23. The circumference of a circle is given by the formula c equals 2 pi r, where c is the circumference and r is the radius. Doubling the radius doubles the circumference. Since the original circumference is 10 pi, the new circumference is 2, 10 pi, equals 20 pi. We can solve this system of equations using elimination. Multiplying the second equation by 3, we get 3x 3y equals 3. Adding this equation to the first equation, we get 5x equals 15. Dividing both sides by 5, we get x equals 3. We can use a Venn diagram to solve this problem. Venn diagram with two overlapping circles, one for apples and one for oranges. The intersection of the circles is labeled 20. The apple circle is labeled 60, and the orange circle is labeled 50. The rest of the apple circle is labeled 40, and the rest of the orange circle is labeled 30. Since 20 people liked both, 60 minus 20 is equal to 40 people liked apples but not oranges. To combine the fractions, we need a common denominator. The common denominator is xx plus 1. Multiplying the first fraction by x plus 1 slash x plus 1 and the second fraction by x slash x gives x plus 1 slash xx plus 1, x slash xx plus 1. Combining the numerators, we get x plus 1x slash xx plus 1, which simplifies to 1 slash xx plus 1. The length of the rectangle is 2w plus 5, so the perimeter is 2w plus 5, plus 2w is equal to 4w plus 10 plus 2w is equal to 6w plus 10. A function is undefined when the denominator of a fraction equals 0. In the given function, the denominator is x2, which equals 0 when x equals 2. Therefore, the function is undefined when x equals 2.